Can't get to the store? Instacart is here to help. On your phone, download the Instacart app. You can also do this on your computer or tablet. Visit instacart.com. Click Get Started. Then enter your email. Next, create a password. Make it a good one. Enter your zip code to unlock a list of all your favorite local stores. Select a store and start filling your cart. You can use the search bar to find specific items, or scroll through trending items and offers, or tap Explore to browse different departments. Choose an item you'd like to purchase and indicate how many or how much you'd like. You can indicate preferred replacements in case the store is sold out. You can also provide your shopper with special instructions. Finished? Tap the grocery cart, then click Go to Checkout. Choose a delivery time. If you won't be home or are limiting your contact with others, select the Leave at My Door option. Then, enter your payment information and confirm. It's that easy. A local shopper will hand-pick items in your order and bring them straight to your door. Need help? Visit instacart.com/help.